All right, what's up, guys? So we just pulled up to Marlene's. It is currently 11:17 at night. This is an awesome pad I have to show y'all. It's called the Who Cares B&B. So you get here and it's just this huge patio, and you stay in Marlene's house, which is right over there. $70 a person, not bad at all. She makes you breakfast in the morning, okay? And it's like the only place within miles and miles. So the game plan is this. So we're at Marlene's right now, and then gonna come pick us up in the morning. Like, we have to wake up at 4:30. He gets here like 5:30. He's gonna take us to Baker's Crossing, and we're gonna start the excursion there. I'm gonna go and introduce y'all to the boys. Chicken Joe is back on the channel. He hasn't been on the channel for what, 4 years?
It's been a minute.
Let me show you a clip right now. It's been a long time.
Doing it for the subs.
Joe, what do you feel in this trip?
I'm the underdog here. Everybody's talking about Snelling and Sam. I'm here to slay fish.
So you think you're gonna beat us, huh?
Yeah. I'm ready to.
Okay, so what do you like? What are you looking forward to the most? He's been here before. He's the only one that's done it. Him and Campbell and Wendell have done this before. None of us have. What are you looking forward to?
Being off the grid, not have to worry about anything. I'm Sam.
What are you looking forward to?
Honestly, I think the funnest thing about it, I'm looking forward to like teamwork. When we're paddling or trying to set up camp or trying to get on a big fish, it'll be fun to kind of be on the same page. I'm in a canoe, so we get.
You think more sight fishing or like just casting into the blue?
This is the sight fishing capital. We got clear waters, blue skies. We're gonna throw them down. I swear to you, you learn how to fish on this river if you don't already. You get to see the way your bait floats and moves, and I think we'll get on some big fish. Summer, maybe a little pressure. It's starting to get popular. But I bet we'll get on a 4-pound bass. That's my take. 4-pound bass.
Sam Parker for you. Looking forward to the trip.
We're gonna have a good time.
All right, so Sebastian Nixon.
How's it going?
All right, a couple questions for you. What are you most looking forward to this Devil's trip?
I don't know. Probably pooping in the forest and catching some fish.
Earthing?
Yeah, getting grounded.
When we got here, there was like 30 cars here. Explain, I wasn't there for Marlene. Explain what she said.
So Marlene told us that about 20 people came into the water the day before us. So we'll have a big group, one or two groups ahead of us. But the good thing is that they said they're catching a lot of fish. So
yeah, so right now the water's a little low, so there's gonna be big pockets, a lot more fish in the pockets. Definitely more prone to getting overfished, but it's okay. What are you least looking forward for this trip?
Probably pulling my canoe hundreds of yards every day.
Absolutely. Who's not catching shit? I know you're gonna say. Absolutely.
Probably David. I'm sleeper pick. I'm picking David.
David all the way.
I think I've given David my reel 3 days in, trade off, and he's bird nesting, and I can't fish anymore.
All right, we got our boy David Moots on here.
What up?
What are you most looking forward to the trip?
I'm looking forward to sleeping in the hammock, honestly.
I'm excited.
I like sleeping outside.
It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be a great time. And fishing, of course.
Out of all the guys here, who do you think are gonna catch the least amount of fish? Like, who's the worst fisherman?
I'm thinking Sebastian. I'm going Sebastian.
Every guy said it. Every guy. Absolutely. And then what are you least looking forward to?
Dragging that shit. Because the water will be low, you know?
Explain the water situation, because they don't know yet.
Yeah, apparently it's not good water level right now. And the water's gonna be low. So there'll be times we gotta like just pick all our shit up and drag it through low water.
What's up, guys? I'm Wendell.
This is my friend Wendell, guys. I have a couple questions for you. Who do you think is going to catch the most fish on this trip?
Snelling.
I'll take that all day, brother. Now, who do you think is going to be the biggest complainer?
It's going to be Sebastian.
All right, y'all, this is Campbell C., one of the guys graduating with us. What are you looking forward to most in this trip?
Well, this is my second time. I'm looking forward to catching fish because I did fly fishing first, and I'm not a good fly fisherman, so I have a bait caster, and I'm ready.
Who do you think is going to catch nothing?
Sebastian Nixon.
I could not agree more.
We get here. It's not an Airbnb, it's a B&B. It's been a long time coming. It's been here for 30 plus years. There's no such thing as Airbnb. It is a old-fashioned B&B. If you couldn't tell from the bar and how old it is, this is a B&B. It's not online. You find it from word of mouth. You get here. You get picked up by an old geezer named. He's a grumpy old man. He's not happy to pick you up. You get on his good side by being amicable and Republican. If you're not that, you're done. So he picks you up, drops you off at Baker's Crossing. You get picked up at his house. He just tells you, he says, I've got a bunch of flags standing up, pull over there. You have no idea what you're doing essentially the whole time. But we've got, what, you're an Eagle Scout, I'm an Eagle Scout, Muton, we've got 4 Eagle Scouts in the group. We can figure that out. The trip is the best thing ever. I wake up every morning, I'm excited to make breakfast, I'm excited to get in the river, I'm excited to paddle, I'm excited to make camp.
Martin had a dream. Martin had a dream. Kendrick have a dream. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind, no die from last shout. I pray my day.
What's up, y'all? All right, we are on the Devils right now. We just got dropped off. Look at this, just absolute, just lily pad of heaven. Of course, we're throwing the Guggen Frog. You know how it goes. I'm excited. I cannot wait. We're gonna get fishing. Hopefully we can get some. Hopefully somebody can catch some. If somebody catches some, I'll go up and I'll show y'all. But I'm excited. We're waiting for the first fish of the day. It'll be a fantastic day. All right, boys. First one of the day. I was not filming, unfortunately, but we got this guy, a little crawdad. Isn't that right, Chick?
Yes, sir.
Isn't that right, Chick? Oh.
Hey, that's a clicker.
That's a clicker. Click it, brother.
Let's get it going.
Come on. The count is 1, my friend. Beautiful smallmouth on the Devil's River. Look at that. It's just awesome. Couldn't be better. Absolute stud. It's on now, brother. First one, boys. Oh, yeah. That's a pretty good fish, dude. It's a smallie. Oh, nice smallie. Nice smallie. Oh! Deece, y'all. Look at that beautiful fish right here. Texas smallmouth bass. Got it on the swim bait. Check that out. That's 1 for Snell. Actually, I'm at 3, but that's definitely the best one. Man, smallmouth just fight so much better than largemouth. It's undisputed. But what a beautiful smallmouth bass. This is why we're here, right here. This is what we're hunting. It is amazing. I mean, ideal catch. It's beautiful. Thank you, fishy. Get a little release going. It's gone. Let's get another one, boys. Let's get another one. What's up, guys? We are in camp. We finally made it. All right, we are all exhausted, man. We paddled only 5 miles today, but we didn't get any sleep last night. And so it feels really good just to be able to sit down and be at camp. I'm chefing up right now. We got some amazing steak. Yum, yum. That needs to be flipped right now. How'd y'all like it today? Day 1.
Great time.
Had a great time.
Lots of fish were caught.
Seabass, how many fish you catch?
2.
Joe, what about you? Any good ones?
Nah.
Only 1 fish?
Yeah.
Sebastian Dixon caught more fish than you on the first day.
Rough day.
So you think you're gonna beat us, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you have to say to that, chicken?
There's always tomorrow.
All right, guys. I got some dinner for the first night. Actually, looks pretty fire. We got some potato, steak, cheese, some green onion. Just all in there, nice. And I'm working with my little camping stove right here.
What?
Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm gonna dig in and hit the hay. I'll see y'all tomorrow on the river. All right, y'all, here's the game plan for today. So yesterday, we came out here. We have 7 guys with us. I was kind of hanging out with everyone, just trying to get a feel for kind of how the trip's gonna go, how many miles we gotta do. So yesterday, we came out and did 5 miles, not very many. It's 25 miles for the whole trip. We're doing 5 days, so 5 miles a day should be good. We really wanna fish. Yesterday, I was kind of just hanging out with everybody. First day, you know, hanging out. Today, I really want to be a lot more fishing focused. So we're gonna have to make up a lot of ground and fish the holes I want to fish. Right now, I'm having a little bit of trouble finding out what they're hitting on. I got a fly rod and a bunch of flies too, but it's kind of windy out. It's pretty hard. I can cover a lot more water with my bait caster, so kind of play it by ear. I might pull the fly rod out today, 100% tomorrow, but I don't know about today. Going through my checklist right now. So we did swim baits. I caught the most fish on a swim bait yesterday. Tried out whopper plopper, a bunch of lily pads over there. Rattle trap, no success on a rattle trap. Need to change that. I'm thinking we can maybe do a glide bait, maybe some spooks for top water. But really my just old faithful is just my Texas rig, you know, throw a swim bait on there, throw some crawlers, But I'm just trying to get the fast swim. I mean, there's a lot of spots. I'm just trying to hit them fast. It's a lot easier to do with swim baits. If I'm using Texas rigs, or wacky rigs or whatever, I'm just throwing in there and I'm just like actually working it. So it just kind of, we need to see how it goes. I mean, there's a lot of spots that are so low right now, not in this little section. This section's really, really fat. But with everything going on, we need to find the sections that are small and they're compact and there's a lot of fish in them, and we need to fish it. Another big problem is they're all ahead of me right now. So everything I'm fishing, they've already fished. Granted, they all suck at fishing, so it shouldn't be that bad. But yeah, I mean, I hope we catch some fish. I'm so happy to bring you on this trip. But look at this freaking view right now. Look what I'm looking at. It is currently 11:14, day number 2. And look at this view, just check this out. It is just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely just gorgeous. Lots of walking, but I'm looking a little fat right now, so walking's not gonna hurt me.
Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this. Park it in front of Lunas, next to the church is chicken. All you pussies that loses, all my niggas winning, screaming all my life. I want money and power, respect my mind, or die from less shot. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and
There we go. Fish on. Finally, boys. Yes. Yes. First one of the day. Not a big one, but it is a fish. Man, I've been grinding all day for this guy. Check that out. Finally got it on the swim bait. And that view. Absolutely unbeatable. So nice out here. Let's get the underwater release going. Let's go. Let's get some more. Good one. Good smallie. Good smallmouth. That's why we're here. Oh yeah. Oh no, no, no. Oh, yes. That is a fish. Oh my gosh. That is why we are here, my friends. Let's go. That's a nice fish right there. Biggest one of the trip for show. That is a fish, my friends. Got that guy on the swim bait. That's the biggest one of the trip for sure. Looks like he's got a little bit of red up here. There's definitely some crawdads in here. I'm definitely gonna change up. But the swim bait's working pretty well. This is just an absolute stunning fish. And man, those smallmouths, they fight so much harder. That's a beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. Good fish, great fish. Oh yeah, y'all. Another one, let's go. Another one on the bigger swim bait. Swim bait's working. Oh, small. Another good one. Started changing up how I'm working it. Definitely working a little bit slower. Getting deeper. Get some more guys. All right, y'all. So right now it is 6:08. The top water is about to be hitting. So I'm right here. I want to throw some spook action all up in here. Should be good. Let's see if we can't catch some fish. I went a little too far ahead of my friends. So I don't know if they're gonna be able to catch up in time. It's gonna get dark in 2 hours. I've been waiting here for an hour and a half. I haven't gone upriver at all. I've just been waiting fishing. So far, no sign of anybody. I don't think it splits. No map, no nothing. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I'm not making camp by myself. Hopefully they come down here. But it's been an hour and a half. I'm gonna give it till 7. If it hits 7, I'm gonna go make a camp. So 50 minutes. Solo on it. We'll see if they come or not. Looks like we're going solo tonight, my friends.
That ass that a ruler couldn't measure, and it make me come fast, but I never get embarrassed. And I recognize you have what I've been wanting since that record that Adina Howard had, popping fast.